Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 3 and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to connect to Wi-Fi network on this watch, first your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and once the devices are paired together, you can go to your watch, open the menu on it by swiping on the screen, then tapping on the find the settings icon and tap on it, of course, settings icon to enter the settings. In settings you need to find the Wi-Fi option and select it, and here if the Wi-Fi is disabled, enable it, and after a few seconds you will see the list of nearby networks next to your watch basically. And if you want to connect to one of the networks, simply tap on it, and if it's password protected, on the phone that is paired with your watch you will see the pop-up. You can enter the password right here. Okay, let me enter the password. I think that's correct. Then we can tap on connect, and after a few seconds the watch should connect if the password was entered correctly. And it was, and as you can see now it says connected under the network, so your watch has a network connection now. You can also see this arrow next to the network right here. That means that the network is saved on your watch, and you can save multiple networks. And basically how it works is whenever your watch is in the vicinity of that network and it has the strongest signal, the watch will try to connect to it automatically if the Wi-Fi is enabled. And that's how it works. Okay, and once you're done you can press the back button a few times to go back to watch face, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.